Man, it was a foggy night last night. We were on our way. And true to Dash for Adventure style, we're taking the back roads. Nope, no interstate today. We're going to take Highway 72. And we'll be spending a few days going down Highway 72. But today, we're going to stop and see something really large. Hang out. Look at that factory. Some of Paula's family works there. We're going to be seeing yellow and black for a little while.
Yeah, we are. Woohoo!
Paula has had family work here for decades. Some that have recently even retired. And she's always wanted to go to the Lodge Museum of Cast Iron. I hear it's the largest cast iron pan in the world. Stick with us, we're going to check it out. Probably going to have something to eat here too. Who says breakfast is just for mornings? We're going to Big Bad Breakfast. We've been here before, and I think what makes this food so special is they cook it in
cast iron.
That's right.
Grit happens.
Grit happens. Keep on the sunny side. Lord have mercy. Oh, the large store. Breakfast for lunch is always great. Now we're going to do a little shopping. One for each state? Oh, that's cool. But actually, you want to come over here to the second. This is where they have the blemished pieces that are a lot cheaper than the new ones, but they're just as good. Sometimes they have a burr or something on it that keeps it from being brand new, or their quality, but it's still perfect. I don't think that's big enough for Alexander. I think he would need a bigger chair. Zoe would like that though. Now, JJ could grow into it. Wow. That's a wicked looking pan. Skillet. That is really cool. They have colored pots too. As the YouTubers say, there's the thumbnail. So they have the National Cornbread Festival here every year. You can see it painted on that gourd. And evidently they give out these medals to the winners of the Cornbread 5K. Let's go in the museum and check it out. Check it out. Welcome to the home of cast iron. Right over there's Big Bad Breakfast. That's where we just had lunch. Look at this overhead. That's a line of skillets. There's the molds.
That's open mold.
That they pour the cast iron from. Paula, do you see any of your family here?
Not in those pictures.
Not in these pictures, but this is our first time here. So we may see some of our family, we don't know. Oh, that's some old cast iron. So this is the machine where they use the molds to form the cast iron. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Quality assurance. They test all the cast iron with tools like this, and they pull reports to see the quality.
Goes through here.
So this is when it comes off the mold, and those are good pieces. They just need to have all the shakeout.
And then they go through the tumbler.
The tumbler knocks all the shakeout.
And it just keeps.
Now it becomes closer to what you would buy, but it's still not seasoned yet.
This is before, and this is after.
So then they do shot blasting to take it from this and to clean it up to look like that.
And it has to, you have to sand it to get the edge, the mold edge off.
The burrs off of it.
Mm-hmm.
So someone sands it. To give it that fine quality edge.
Mm-hmm.
And then it goes on down.
Into a bath.
It goes into a washing, into a bath. And the washing,
That's
the
where
stainless steel and soap and water. And then the seasoning,
so
105 minutes.
105 minutes to get it to seasoning from pouring.
From molding,
From molding to seasoning. 105 minutes. And you have a cast iron.
and packaging. Hey, Charlie, isn't that what you did? Or something like that. I think he hauled it off.
At 165 minutes.
Yeah, 165 minutes. It went into Charlie's hands, or his forklift. But he's happily retired now. See, Charlie, they got some young person now working there. Sorry, Charlie. Now let's go in here to Generations of Lodge. A 15-year-old, he's not 15. In 1863, a 15-year-old Joseph Lodge left home in search of work for his family. He landed in southern Appalachia, where he staked his claim and began building his own legacy. He started cast iron, Lodge cast iron. It was originally called what?
Blacklock Manufacturing.
It was originally called Blacklock Manufacturing. Ooh, here's the vault. What's in the vault? Some of the original pieces.
Wow.
There's some Blacklock irons.
See? Blacklock foundry.
There's some 1910. And when did the original foundry burned?
1910.
In 1910. And then they built a whole new foundry. And before the lodge burned, it was originally called Blackrock. And then they changed the name to Lodge in honor of its original founder.
And
When they rebuilt the new foundry.
And then in 2002, they started seasoning their pans, so people didn't have to do it at home.
Right. This foundry has been family owned since its inception. 5 generations? 6 generations? 5 generations. Right here in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Ooh, I know you want to stick your hands in this stuff. Ooh, that's cool. It's like putty. Wow.
That's what makes.
Put your hand on it. Do it. Stick them in there. Ooh.
I'm gonna make my own cast iron.
There's what Paula just made. Great job, Paula. Just kidding. Hey, look, they provide this for people that were playing in that.
The manufacturing.
During the Great Depression, they would manufacture these.
Yep. To keep the. I read that they kept the foundry going during the Great Depression. They did innovative ways to keep it going, and apparently this is what they did.
They kept it hopping along.
Wow.
That was interesting. So Joseph Lodge started it, and he named it Blacklock after the preacher at the local church. His best friend, Joseph Blacklock, named it after his best friend. Interesting. Is that it? That's it. Look at this. That is the
Making of it.
It's the largest cast iron skillet in the world. Wow.
It was brought across the big bridge.
This is how we made the world's largest cast iron skillet. The process began with making a sand mold. This mold used 166,000 pounds of sand. Pouring the molten iron was next, and once the skillet cooled down, its final weight was 14,360 pounds. The skillet was removed from the sand mold and cleaned up in a shot house. Then it was ground by hand to make it look nice and shiny. Finally, it was shipped to live right here in the Lodge Museum of Cast Iron.
Wow.
I think it's cool that they brought it across the bridge.
I know, right? Cornbread. The history of cornbread. Cornbread. I try to get my grandson to call it cornbread. He wouldn't pronounce it that way for a long time because that's not the proper way to say it, Grampy. And then one day he realized how funny it was, and he's got it now, and he calls it cornbread. Check out the detail.
Hello, my name is Jessica Gamble, and I'm the chef at KR Steak.
So if you want to find out more about cast iron, check out Lodge Cast Iron. We'll leave a link to their website below. And if you're in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, or somewhere in Eastern Tennessee, make sure you come check out it. The Foundry, the museum, and Big Bad Breakfast. Can you use cast iron cookware on a glass top stoves? It's safe for use.
Including glass up simply. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Cast iron cookware is it ruined if it rusts. While rust can happen, it can be easily removed. And there you go.
It's a great debate whether you're supposed to submerge your cast iron in soap or not.
No soap.
Paula says no soap.
No soap.
But look.
Answer.
Look. People have voted soap or no soap fairly equally. Actually, looks like soap may be a little larger. How to restore. We actually have one that needs to be restored right now, so scrub it out with some still wool, wash it, use soap if desired,
Right.
dry it. I get a feeling this video is on
Repeat.
repeat. So this is what we need to do when we get home.
Right.
Hey, there's the van. And here's the cast iron people. And the cast iron dog. Penelope. Get it? Penelope. Ferris.
This is Lucky.
And the dog is Lucky.
They're all made out of cast iron parts made here at the plant.
That's so cool. All right. We've enjoyed our visit to Lodge. Off to some more adventures. Let's go. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on this little adventure to Lodge Cast Iron Foundry, Museum, and Big Bad Breakfast. We'll catch you guys in the comments, and we'll see you next time.
Y'all come back, you hear?
Oh, yeah.